Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of December. And first of all, national news. PM Modi visited mother in Ahmedabad hospital. Doctors said condition stable. You have my support. Rahul Gandhi as PM Modi's mother hospitalized. Health Minister to visit airport as 31 international flyers test positive. Chhattisgarh governor should not sit over quota bills for eternity. Government ready for court fight. CM Baghel. Serum Institute to provide 2 crore Covishield doses to central government free of cost. Next 40 days crucial as India may see surge in COVID cases in January. Official sources. Google got notices from competition body over non-payment of penalties. 4 militants hiding in earth truck killed near Sidra Bridge in Jammu. 3.1 magnitude earthquake hit Uttarakhand, 2 more in Nepal. And INB minister earned rupees 22 crore by disposing of scrap. India backed project in Afghanistan, Myanmar impacted due to prevailing situations. MEA to parliamentary panel. Center signed peace pact with Manipur insurgent group. COVID-19, Bharat Biotech's intranasal vaccine to cost rupees 800 for private, rupees 325 for government supplies. Now international news. Against Putin's regime, the Russians fighting alongside Ukrainian forces. Russia intensified attacks on Ukraine's liberated Kherson. Fear of nuclear war renewed as Russia looked for breakthrough in Ukraine. North Korea's Kim Jong-un set new military goals for 2023. US Supreme Court said Trump era strict border policy will remain in place. UN Security Council denounced Taliban ban on women in Afghanistan. After years of strain, Turkey got new Israeli ambassador. Russia to ban oil exports to countries using price cap from February. And now some sports news. India ready to bid for 2036 Olympics. Gujarat has infrastructure to host games, Sports Minister Anurag Thakur said. World number 1 Iga Swiatek starting 2023 with a clean slate. Pakistan Cricket Board threatened to take legal action after Ramiz Raza's outburst. World Cup winner Lionel Messi to return to Paris Saint-Germain next week. Norway's Casper Ruud said world number 1 ranking within reach. And now news related to business. Nifty Sensex closed on flat note amid volatile session. Rupee closed flat at 82.85 against US dollar. Global risks persist. Aggressive fiscal consolidation should be avoided. RBI panel member. Aviation sector witnessing strong V-shaped recovery. Passenger growth will continue. Jyotiraditya Sindhya. Foreign investors withdrew record rupees 1.2 lakh crore from Indian equities in 2022. Revival expected in 2023. Telecom department discussed call drop. Service quality issued with operators. Dealers to apply for certification of pre-owned vehicles. Road Ministry. Now news from science and technology. MIT engineers develop paper-thin solar cells to turn any surface into a power source. 3/4 of major space observatories affected by light pollution, a study said. Carbon Mapper, NASA sensors to help detect methane emitted by landfills. Surprise kilonova discovery shaked up long gamma ray burst theory. And that's all in news. Thank you.